Yeah.
Hello. This week I've got a little helper, Indy. You going to say hello, Indy? Indy's going to help me finish off building her little mini moto, and we're going to try and get this out today for the first ride. Don't think we can get Indy on it because we don't have any stabilisers for it yet, but I will be able to take it up and down the close quick. Maybe even try and drag Indy's mum out on it as well. See if Indy's mum will want a quick ride on it. So
my mummy doesn't fit.
Your mummy doesn't fit. Did you hear that, mummy? So we've got to put the seat back on, fairing on. I want to adjust the handlebars to come up a little bit higher. Put some air in the tyres as well, actually. I forgot about that.
Where's my tyres?
So what we're going to do...
Where's my tyres?
There!
Oh.
So we're going to pop this on. So Indy's going to help me, apparently. I don't know about that, but...
Can I do it?
Now you're standing in the way of the camera.
Can I do it?
Come round here. There we go.
Oopsie, what's this?
We need that.
Why?
Because we do.
Where's it?
It's a screw.
Ah! Screwdriver? I found another one. I found two of them.
Found another one, have you?
Yeah. Here, look.
So I think she's going to help me, or be more of a hindrance. I don't know yet. But we will soon see. Bit fiddly, actually. Looks like I'm on my own now. So let's pop this front one in. This should line these holes up the front here. I don't know what she's done with my Allen keys. Don't know if you heard that, but Indy just told Mummy that I'm trying to fix her bike. So I did plan on trying to clean this up as well, but I don't really have time for that. But I will try and do it at some point. Don't need that bit yet. You little monkey. Not yet. Is that the right one? No.
Can I have a screwdriver?
In a minute.
I'm going to get one in here. In here.
You can have this one in a minute once I've got these getting in. So as before, 5 bolts
Screwdriver.
going in.
Screwdriver. I got a screwdriver.
You've got a screwdriver. You don't really need a screwdriver though, Indy.
This one has a burr screw in it.
Then another one there. There we go. That one clipped into place.
I have a screwdriver as well.
In a second.
Here's this. Here it
We
is.
don't need the petrol yet. So since the last video, I bought... You're standing in the way of the camera again.
There we are.
So since the last video,
Let's fix it.
I'll try again. I have bought some 2-stroke oil and a mixing bottle.
Where's the mixing bottle?
There's a mixing bottle on the bench behind you.
Where? Oh, here.
That is the oil,
Oh, here.
and that is the mixing bottle.
Oh, I found it.
You found it.
There's no water in here.
Don't want water in there, we want petrol in there and oil. So that is that bit on it. Yeah, as I was saying, I think I did want to clean it up as well a bit. But I think at the moment, we'll just get it up and running. Get it usable for now. So do you want to do these ones up?
Yeah.
Go on then, come around here then. Turn it. Turn. Turn. There we go, that's it.
Done.
No, it's not done. Keep going.
Still turning.
It's still turning.
Still turning.
So yeah, we'll just clean it up as much as we can for now.
Yeah.
We'll just give it a spray of WD-40. I think she's given up.
Daddy, has it pink or not? Pink or white?
White, Indy.
It has pink and white.
Does it? So there's 5 of those. Need to put some air in the tyres.
Put the air. Where's the air?
The air is in the pump, which I've got to get the pump down for.
Where's the pumper?
Hanging up.
But I can't see the pump.
That's all 5 screws for that done.
Done, done, done,
Dun,
done,
dun, dun.
What is this for?
That's that bit done. Now, let's do the fairing. In fact, let's sort these handlebars out next. I am going to need, it looks like a 13mm spanner. Right, so, 13mm spanner, as predicted.
Blue. I got blue and orange. Orange.
Just move these handlebars up just a little bit.
Blue, 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 blue. I got blue.
Pinch them back up.
My blue foaming.
One done.
My phone.
Also, want to have a look at this kill switch as well, because I think trying to turn this off otherwise will be highly entertaining.
Put your teeth on charge. It's boop.
Boop.
Boop, 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 boop. Hello? Okay, bye. Now,
They're in the right position.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun. Done. Pop this back on.
It's on my game. Oh, are you fixing my camera?
Yeah, we need to fix your camera as well at some point, Indy, yes.
Because Stitch is broken.
Yeah, and Stitch.
Because they too broken.
Yeah.
Because I landed that Minnie Mouse camera in the pool.
You did.
In the watermelon pool.
So Indy dropped her Minnie Mouse camera in the pool. It's not waterproof.
The water padding pool. Padding pool. A padding
Because she's a bit of a plonker.
Yes.
That's that panel on. Right. Now the fairing.
Fairing!
Fairings!
Can I put it on?
You can help me put it on.
There.
Right, mind out. Mind out. So I could probably do it quicker and easier by rip it all apart. Or safer, I should say. I wouldn't say it'd be any quicker. But we'll do it this way.
Hello, Gabby. Hello. What's wrong? Who's it? Okay. Hi, B.
Fairing into the hole just there.
Hello.
And voila! Right, I need to find some bolts. Bolts to go in there. That's one bolt in place. Just pinched it up quickly. Pop that front back on.
Can you come for me? Bye. Beep. This JJ catnip.
JJ catnip.
Yeah. Oh, someone's in it.
So I've got to make an adjustment that around to there. Make that fit. That's it.
JJ catnip.
That bolt in now.
Bye, JJ catnip. Bye.
So I've replaced those chrome ones.
JJ catnip.
So I think it's meant to be these ones here, there, but I don't have them.
Tidy. Thank you. Bye.
So these have come from my some of my mountain bike spares.
It's baby box.
These should do the job, probably even better to be honest with you.
Baby box.
That one done.
And help her. Wait.
That one done.
It's
So,
good.
Indy, would you like to sit on it?
Yeah.
All we've got to do now is put some air in the tyres.
Oh, there you go.
You want to get on?
Can't get on.
There we go.
Don't.
It's all right. Daddy's got you.
Don't.
Daddy's got you. Hold on.
Don't turn it on,
I
though.
won't turn it on. Look at that. Wow.
Baby box.
That cool?
Yeah, cool. Now,
Yeah, I'm doing a wheelie now. There you go. Jump off. Jump off now if you want.
jump.
Now, put some air in the tyres.
Baby box.
Sort out the kill switch on it. So, my little trap pump won't fit on these valves. So I'm having to do it by a hand pump. Which is slightly annoying because it's a hot day. It's Father's Day in fact. Which is why I had Indy out here with me. She wanted to spend some time with Daddy. Bit more air in that I think. And then I'll just have to try and gauge the PSI in them. In fact I might get my little PSI gauge on there. But let's get some air in these tyres, sort out the kill switch, see what I can do with that, and then might be able to get it out for a quick spin this evening if it starts up, which I can't see why it won't. That one's done. Happy days. In fact, what I'm going to try and do, show I don't have any pink ones in here for Indy, but I'll put some orange ones on. So there's one orange dust cap. Da da da. Not dust cap. Let's put some air in this rear tyre, which is going to be a bit fiddly. But that will do. Done. Pink valve cap on. Pink. Orange. Done. Put those to one side. Let's have a look at this kill switch. Right. Kill switch is off. Let's have a look. See what is wrong with this. Little screwdriver. So let's have a look. See if we can take this apart. See what is going on here. Screw in there. So it looks like it's meant to be touching the handlebar. Maybe. Just short it out. I don't know. Because there's only one wire going to it. Let's put it over on this side. Right. Let's see if that has worked. Couple of primes. And away we go. Second pull. Choke is off. I think now it's time to go have a blast. She is ready. I'll find a way to turn it off. So the kill switch is kind of trying to work, but it's not working very well. You can hear it. There we go. That kind of works now. So I think some fresh fuel, some fresh oil, and we'll be ready to go. So the bike's now ready to rock and roll. Let's mix up a little bit of petrol. I'm probably going to do it slightly over oily because, as said, my workmate has only used this twice. So I think it's probably still running in. So we'll take it on and spin it everywhere. Should have put a cloth down really, shouldn't I? Make it on the oilier side. Let's do it up to that line now. I'm going to get a cloth on that first because I don't want it ruining my bench. That's that cleaned up. Put that on the floor. Put a little bit of oil. I'm going to probably do it to the 25 to 1 or the higher one of 32. Bit of 2-stroke oil. That's a bit over, but again, don't mind that. Now we'll put that little lot into the bike, which I'll do off camera because, you know, fill a bike up hopefully. That to one side. In fact, no, I'm going to use that on the bike. That will do, I think. I can save that for another day. Bike filled up, ready to go. Right, so I'm going to take it out on the place where I live, but I'm going to try and blow out around the edges because I don't want people stalking me. So I'll see you outside on the bike in a second. Let's go have some fun. Right, here we go. Foot peg just fallen off. It works. So I might have to get another foot peg again. But good fun. Happy days. Right, so there we go. It's done. There's still a couple more little bits and bobs that need doing to the mini moto. I.e. stabilisers, another darn foot peg. So I might try and get those all in one metal ones, which I can find. Still sort out the kill switch. Sort out the plastic, stabilisers, and adjust the carburetor idle. But apart from that, it does actually go. The first ride. Happy days. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video and you're not already subscribed, please do so. It helps the channel. If you are, leave a comment below if you've enjoyed this small mini series, I suppose. Like, share and subscribe. Adios amigos. Buenos noches. Video here. Subscribe here. Goodbye.